Dear students, last class we have seen glucocorticoids. So in this class we are going to see mineralocorticoids. Same as that of glucocorticoids, we can divide the mineralocorticoid into minerals, cortex plus steroid. So what is the meaning of this term minerals? It is composed from its role in regulation of mineral metabolism. So it is responsible for mineral metabolism. It is synthesized in adrenal cortex and it is having steroidal nucleus. That's why they are called mineralocorticoids. Already we have seen glucocorticoids are secreted by zona fasciculata of adrenal cortex, whereas this mineralocorticoids, they are secreted by zona glomerulosa of adrenal cortex. It has influence on electrolyte metabolism, that is salt and water balance. It maintains the normal distribution of water and chloride ions and maintains the blood volume and blood pressure. So aldosterone is the primary or main mineralocorticoid in humans because it causes salt retention. This mineralocorticoids, they are used in the treatment of Addison's disease or primary adrenal insufficiency. Now we'll see the examples of glucocorticoids. They are aldosterone, 11-deoxycorticosterone and fludrocortisone acetate. So these three are the main examples for mineralocorticoids. What are they? Aldosterone, 11-deoxycorticosterone and fludrocortisone acetate. This aldosterone, that is an active part of angiotensin-renin blood pressure cycle and it controls the blood volume, that is it decreases the blood volume and stimulates the kidneys to secrete the enzyme called renin. Already we have seen this renin in anti-ACE inhibitor. So this renin, that one converts angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. Then by means of angiotensin converting enzyme, that would be converted to angiotensin 2. That one stimulates the adrenal cortex to release aldosterone. That causes the kidneys to retain sodium ions and increases the blood volume. So this renin production decreases until the blood volume drops again. Now we'll see the structure of aldosterone. It is having the basic nucleus of steroid and first ring is having ketone and here ketone and bond between 4 and 5. So it is a alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Why it is called alpha beta unsaturated ketone? According to that ketone, this position is alpha, this is beta. So the bond is between alpha and beta. That's why it is called alpha beta unsaturated ketone. And having two angular methyl groups. In that second angular methyl, that is 18th angular methyl group, that was absent here. So instead of that, here that should be CH3, so in that two hydrogens are replaced by means of oxygen. So at 18th position, it is having aldehyde CHO. And at 17th position, it is having COCH2OH. And at 11th position, it is having hydroxy group. So what is the structure for aldosterone? It is ending with one, so it should have a ketone. That ketone is present in third position. So it is a first ring is having alpha beta unsaturated ketone and only one angular methyl group, that is 19th angular methyl group is present. Instead of 18th angular methyl group, it is having aldehyde and at 17th position it is having COCH2OH and last at 11th position it is having hydroxy group. So that is the structure for aldosterone. It is also having one more structure, this one. So here the 11th position, 11th hydroxy and the 18th aldehyde, these two groups bridge to form this acetal form, that is hemiacetal. So this is also a structure for aldosterone, but this is the hemiacetal form. So we can have two structures for aldosterone. This is having this hydroxy group, that is beta hydroxy. So the 11 beta hydroxy group and the 18th aldehyde that naturally bridge to form a hemiacetal. This is too expensive to produce naturally. Therefore, other semi-synthetic analogues are used for the treatment of Addison's disease. Next drug is called 11-deoxycorticosterone. So it is having similar structure of progesterone. So same as that of progesterone, but at 20 progesterone is having COCH3 here, at 17th position. In that one H is replaced by means of hydroxy group. So that's why it is called as 21 hydroxy progesterone. Other names are DOC, that is the deoxycorticosterone or desoxycartone or deoxycartone or cartaxone. It acts as a precursor for aldosterone, but it is an inactive mineralocorticoid not commercially available. The last one under mineralocorticoid is the fludrocortisone acetate. So what is the structure for that? It is having the steroidal nucleus. First ring is having alpha beta unsaturated ketone, 2 angular methyl groups, and 11th position it is having hydroxy. 17th position also having hydroxy, but that one is an alpha hydroxy group, and at 17th position it is having CO, CH2O, CO, CH3. So it is an acetate. No, the parent should be CH2OH. So in that, one H is replaced by means of acetyl group. Having fluorine in 9th position, 9 alpha fluoro. So it is used to treat adrenogenital syndrome, postural hypertension, and adrenal insufficiency. In adrenal insufficiency, it is generally taken together with hydrocortisone. It is combined with the hydrocortisone. It is used in partial replacement therapy for primary and secondary adrenocortical insufficiency in Addison's disease, and also for the treatment of salt-losing adrenal hyperplasia. That's all about mineralocorticoids.